Hello everyone, in this video I'll tell you how to register for the GRE General Test. Okay, your first step is to create or log in to your ETS account. Go to the ETS website, select GRE here and click on the option to either sign in or create an account. If you don't have an account and you create it, it will make you create a test center, a test taker account. Be very careful on the details that you put in, your name, your date of birth, everything should exactly match your ID, usually your passport if you're registering from India. Okay, now once you create your account, you will come in here, you'll see my GRE home, you'll see your name and everything, welcome, and here you click on register or find test centers and dates. Now once you click on this, let's see where we get. This is where we come. We select our test, GRE General Test. After that, next very important piece is to select where you want to take the test. This is step 2. Now, some schools accept both test center and at-home version, but a few, especially certain top programs, accept only the in-center test. Okay, so before you register, check the requirements of the universities you are applying to, then select either a test center or the at-home option, whatever fits you. Now after this situation, you continue from here. Let's see. Correct. Now here you see this is the test. I have selected at home. This is the test price. And now I can choose my date. Say I choose September 11. Says register soon. These are my available time slots. I can select anything. Say I select 8:30 a.m. Then I'll get all of my details here and I click on register for this test. Now after you click on this, let's see where it takes us. Here you go. So it again brings you back to what your information was, your date, your time. You can edit it even now if you made a mistake or anything. And read all of this information, these policies. Click on I understand. Go ahead. Here you go. This is your ETS ID that they created, all of your information. Once you continue from there, it will come to some background information. Again, you have to tell the country, your current educational status. Some of these are important. You must fill them in. Otherwise, you just continue from here on and you'll come to one last tab. Now, after you're done with that, this is a page on test prep to purchase. Most of these things are paid, but when you scroll down to the very bottom, you will find these 2 untimed free practice tests. Definitely add these to the cart. Yes, these are 2 official tests that you get for free. Then you finally continue to checkout. This is where you'll pay your fee and you see what you have signed up for. And one more very important thing here to know is that if later on you change the date, you cancel or anything, then you will have to make extra payments. So for example, if you need to make changes later, you can reschedule your, you can change the test center. If you cancel at least 4 days before appointment, you get 50% of your fee back. Okay, now if you're testing at the center, make sure you bring your ID with you. And here I go on, I'll simply pay and we will be registered. Now before we end, I'll also quickly show you what if you do select the test center option. So click on this, put your location. Say I just put the entire city right now and I see what all I can get there. Once you click on continue from here on, it will give you all of the options by date also, by distance also. So you see September, no seats available. If I select this one here, 6th of October, this is my selected date. Now I can see 6th of October, these are the centers where I can take the test. 7th of October, if I click on this, I'll again see the centers. You can click on this to find test times. And this is again where you'll be able to make your selection. So just choose it based on whatever fits you best. So both ways, however you register, you just have to make sure you don't make the decision by what you like to do. Decide it based on the universities you're applying to. Okay, and that's it. You are now registered for the GRE General Test. Good luck with your preparation. All the very best.